this OfferLab review, we are going to take a closer look at what the brand new OfferLab platform actually is, how it works, and how you can make money with it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly whether OfferLab is worth your time or whether it's just another overhyped platform in the marketing space. As always, use the timestamps below to jump to the part of the video that is most relevant for you. Now let's dive in. First, let's talk about what OfferLab actually is. OfferLab is a platform designed to connect creators and affiliates and make collaboration seamless. If you have ever used marketplaces like ClickBank or Digistore24, you can think of OfferLab as a next-level version of that. The platform was created by Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, and was officially launched on September 3rd. What makes it exciting is that it's not just another marketplace. As you will see in this OfferLab review, it has the potential to completely change how offers are built and promoted online, and how creators and affiliates can cooperate and grow together. And that leads to the question, why should you care about joining right now? The short answer is timing. OfferLab today feels a lot like ClickFunnels back in 2014. Back then, the early adopters were the ones who built massive businesses, while everyone else was still trying to figure out what a funnel even was. By joining OfferLab now, you put yourself in the same early adopter position. There is less competition, more visibility for your offers, and the chance to build authority on the platform before it becomes crowded. Moreover, OfferLab is free to join, so use the link in the description to create your account today and explore the platform. Once you're in, the biggest question is, how do you actually make money with OfferLab? How do you leverage this platform for your business? There are three main ways to do that. First, if you already have a digital or physical product, you can list it on OfferLab and create a so-called offer. After that, affiliates will be able to find your offer and promote it, which means more traffic and more sales for you. You can also use OfferLab to run collaborations and JV launches with other creators, and OfferLab will process the payments and distribute the revenue. Second, if you don't have a product, you can join OfferLab as an affiliate. You can find different offers you want to promote in the marketplace, easily bundle multiple offers together into one funnel, and start driving traffic to it. Last but not least, you can promote OfferLab itself and earn up to 2% on every sale from offer owners and affiliates you invite to the platform. By the way, if you want to earn 2% in OfferLab commissions instantly, use the OfferLab certification program as a shortcut. You can find the link to it in the description of this video. So whether you're a creator, an affiliate, or someone who just wants to promote the platform, there is a clear way to generate income with OfferLab. Now let's dive deeper and see how all of that works and what makes OfferLab so powerful. The first thing I want to show you is how to add your product to OfferLab and create an offer that affiliates and other creators can find on the marketplace. To add your product, go to Sell, Bold, and select the step, Your Products. The layout or section names may change in the future, but the core principle should stay the same. Here you can either create a product from scratch or import it from another platform, like for example ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Shopify, and others. For example, I have my ClickFunnels account connected and I see all the products that I have there. I can select the ones that I want to add to OfferLab and click Import Products. Super simple. Once you added your products to OfferLab, you can create a so-called offer. You can create a listing for your offer, that's how it will be presented in the marketplace, and a sales page. And even here you don't have to create anything from scratch. If you're already selling your product using platforms like Shopify, ClickFunnels, Go High Level, and so on, and have a converting sales page, you can just import it into OfferLab using a default template or your own styling. You paste the URL of your sales page. OfferLab gives you a code snippet that you will need to paste into the code section of your page. Then OfferLab will detect the snippet and import your sales page. Once that's done, you just go ahead and add a price to every button on your page. Basically, in a few minutes, your funnel is recreated in OfferLab. It cannot be any easier. Once your offer is listed on the OfferLab marketplace, affiliates can find it and promote it for you. You decide how much commission you want to pay, and the platform takes care of tracking sales and distributing payouts. The next exciting thing about OfferLab is how it makes collaboration between different creators, in other words, product owners, possible in a way no other platform has done before. Imagine stacking offers from different creators into a single funnel, even if those creators are using completely different platforms. OfferLab makes that possible. Let's say I want to collaborate with another creator. Instead of figuring out which platform to use, how to build a funnel, who will be processing the payments, and a lot of other things, I could just create a collaboration funnel in OfferLab. I already have my offer with a sales page added to OfferLab, so I just drag it here as a primary offer. If I want, I can easily add an offer bump as well. Then I want to add an offer from my creator friend, so I just select it here and drag it to the funnel. What is also awesome, I can go here and add a message to my audience about this product, why it's so great and why they should buy it. I can even add an image or a video along with the message, and if we now preview this page, we will see that the message appears on top. It means that my audience has a smoother journey and they don't feel like I just redirected them to some random page. I can add more offers here. I can rearrange them. By the way, the customers will only need to enter their billing information once in the checkout step, and every offer that comes after that is added to their order with one click of a button. At the end, they will see an order summary. Once I've got all the offers I want in this collab funnel, I can publish it and start driving traffic. OfferLab will handle the checkout and automatically distribute the revenue between creators. I hope you realize how powerful this is. This means you can seamlessly collaborate with other product owners without asking anyone to change their tech setup. Everyone benefits and the customers get a seamless experience. Now that's perfect if you already have an offer or want to team up with others. But what if you don't have your own product yet? Well, then you can use OfferLab to make money as an affiliate. You can start by browsing the marketplace and finding the offers that you want to promote. How much you earn in commissions depends on the offer. You will see all the details on the offer page. Once you find an offer you would like to promote, you send the request and the short message to the product owner, and when they approve it, you can start promoting. Just like with the collab funnels, you can step multiple feeding products into one funnel and offer your audience a product bundle. If you create a funnel in OfferLab for the affiliate offers you picked on the marketplace, you will see them in the other offer section, and you can easily stack them the way I showed before. And besides promoting products from other creators, there's another great way to earn with OfferLab by promoting the platform itself. As an OfferLab affiliate, you can invite other creators and affiliates to the platform and earn from 0.5 to 2% of their processing volume. Here's how it works. Once you earn your first $1,000 on the platform, you unlock 0.5% commissions on every sales from the users that you referred. As your earnings grow, that percentage also increases. At the super affiliate level, normally unlocked after reaching $100,000 in commissions, you can earn up to 2% lifetime commissions. Now, hitting that 100,000 mark might take a while, but there is a shortcut. This shortcut is an OfferLab certification program, which is comprehensive training on how to become a successful affiliate. The OfferLab certification program is priced at $497 and instantly bumps your status to super affiliate, skipping the 0.5% commissions and earning up to 2% of every sale from the people you refer to OfferLab. Please note that this offer is available at the time of recording of this video and may be removed or changed in the future. So if you consider promoting OfferLab as an affiliate and want to start with the highest commission level, use the link in the description and grab this offer today. Also, if you want to learn more about the OfferLab affiliate program, watch our video on that topic by clicking on the card up here. Alright, that's it for this OfferLab review. We covered what it is, how it works, and the different ways you can actually make money with OfferLab. Whether you've got your own product, want to promote other people's offers, or just the platform itself. The main thing to remember is OfferLab is still brand new. Getting in now gives you way more visibility and a chance to ride the first wave of growth before things get crowded. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future videos. Also, let me know in the comments below what do you think of OfferLab. Are you going to join the platform? Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.